My name is Anurag.
And today I'll be showing you how you can turn a piece of cardboard into a really interesting handmade.
So this video is divided into 4 parts where I'll be teaching you the exact process of how you can replicate what I did. So the first part is going to be the cardboard making process, which will hardly take 4 minutes to complete. So first of all, you will have to get the templates and join them together to make the big piece and cut out the pieces from the templates. Now join all the pieces as per the instructions given in the video. Now you all might be thinking that cardboard is a very weak material for making such helmet. So we are going to apply 2 to 3 layers of epoxy resin both inside and outside the helmet to make it more stronger and durable. Now, a question might arise in your mind, how can a cardboard look like a metal? Yes, it can. So for that, I'll be using wood filler to fill out the surface and make it smoother. But before painting, I'll be completing the opening mechanism of this helmet. So here we move to the third part of the video where I'll be showing you how to make the joint and opening mechanism of this helmet. So for that I'll be using Robo's 3D printing service. You can use it too if you are there in India. Then just upload these files in your robo.in and get them 3D printed out and delivered to your house in within 4 to 5 days. So after getting your 3D printed files, join them together as per the instruction given in the videos. So for making this helmet move, I'll be using MG90S metal gear servo motors. Why am I using metal gears? We can use plastic gears too. But yes, this helmet is going to be a bit heavy. So we'll be using the metal gear servo motors. Now from here, just follow the process as shown in the video.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting.
So for controlling this, I'll be using an Arduino Nano, which I used in my previous video. You can just click here and watch how I made that. Reflection of the emptiness, hilarious. You think you're worth my time, you're delirious, mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior, inferior. You know I'll always be a bit
last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah.
Now, here's the crazy part, the final part of this video. We are going to paint this helmet. So for giving the metallic look, the first thing we are going to use is surface priming. What is surface priming? So what it does is simple. It covers up the holes and any other tiny holes in the helmet to smoothen the surface. We are going to give it a 3 to 5 coat of this primer. Yes, don't try to save your primer for this process. It's very important to want to give the metallic look. Then what we are going to do, we are going to apply a base coat which is going to be a black color.
I'm saving every day to taste it. I'm patient, but my mind, it can hardly take it. I'm chasing a dream that I've had for several ages. A vacant modern kingdom for the taking. Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play
Then after that, just apply bright chrome spray. Yes, it is very important for giving that metallic texture in the red and golden color. After that, just apply your red and golden color as per shown in the video.
Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains at last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah.
This isn't just for anybody. It's for you. Isn't it that asshole that you wanted? I can be him too. Isn't it that new soul that you needed? Yeah. I don't care what mistakes we've made, yeah. Let's fly away on a paper plane, yeah. Fly away on a paper plane, yeah. Fly away on a paper plane. I don't care what mistakes we've made, yeah. Let's fly away on a paper plane, yeah. Fly away on a paper plane, yeah. Fly away on a paper plane. I remember you as a child. What a beautiful smile.
Now you're done. It still look amazing, है ना? But we are one step behind our final helmet. So we are going to apply clear coat to this helmet. So yes, our handmade is completed. Make sure you like, share and subscribe this channel. So here we go. Enjoy the next part.
ऐसे करो ऐसे पर साइड में घुमा के दिखाओ